Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to take a look at the pathfinder tool in Adobe XD. So let's get started. So basically this is Adobe XD and I have created a blank canvas with 9020 by 1080. Size doesn't matter, but for this tutorial I'm just selecting this size, and now I'm going to draw a circle right here just like this, and I'm going to fill it with red, and then I'm going to duplicate this circle just like this and fill it with something like, let's just say, blue. Okay, so this is on top and this is at the back. So now if you select any shape or any two shape, like a multiple shape, it should be more than one, then these tools become active right here. But if you select just one shape, then as you can see these are inactive. So I'm going to select both of these tools, and actually this pathfinder tool has existed inside of other Adobe tools such as Adobe Illustrator for like a really long time, and now it's also available in the Adobe XD. So it allows you to do four things. The first one is add, the second one is subtract, the third one is intersect, and the fourth one is exclude. So we'll see how all of these works and what they do. The first one is simple, it's just adds. So as you can see, it basically joined both these shapes, and as you can see, if we still select this and create the shape, it just joins it just like this. And the second one is called subtract. It will subtract the top shape from the bottom shape. So as we already know that our blue circle is on the top and the red circle is at the bottom, then if we try to subtract it, then you can say that the red circle has been subtracted exactly as there was the blue circle, right? Now the third tool is called intersect. So all the area that is intersecting for both of these shapes, it will show only this. So as you can see, this was the common area inside of these shapes. So um, intersect does this, and the fourth one and the last one is exclude. So anything that is common in both of these shape will be excluded. So as you can see, this area is common in both the shapes. So if I just click on exclude, it will just exclude this area and leave the other things just like this. So the best part about this is that even if you perform an operation, so for example, even if I just perform exclude overlap on this is still editable. So as you can see, this second circle is still editable, and I can just move it as I like, and I can just increase the size if I want. I can stretch it and do whatever I want, and once I let go, it will just give the result. So this is how you can use the pathfinder tool inside of Adobe XD. If you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace.